hope you guys are good. It's a new day, and today is literally so gloomy outside, so I'm not gonna do much. But I'm eating now. Baby made ribs and I made mash yesterday. Already saw, or you will see the footage, but this is how it looks and it's so good. Delicious. I made the mash very garlicky. I love me some garlic. And then baby bought like pork ribs and he literally like seasoned, marinated them. Scrumdiddly yum yum. Yeah, man, let me eat and we shall see. Hi y'all, my gosh, I'm so crusty, but I'm gonna probably like undo my hair tomorrow or install a wig on top of this mess. I don't know, but I really haven't gotten up to anything. Now I'm just gonna prepare the meat that I'm gonna cook for dinner, so we're just gonna do that. Yeah, enjoy. So my battery is really low, but I've got the rice boiling here, and then I'm about to start the curry that side. I just have no idea how I'm gonna angle you guys, but sobona pambi. So when we're looking all good and like this, I'm gonna add the meat. I'd already seasoned it a bit, not a lot. Some water with a stock cube inside. Now I'm just gonna let it simmer so I can cook up the meat. Yeah, just watch the space. This is how we're looking so far. Okay, so we're about to add the onion, the onions. We're about to add the Okay, so I'm gonna wait for the tomatoes to cook, but I am gonna put the stove a bit lower so the meat can cook a bit slower and everything can just mush up all together. Rice, I'm just waiting for the water at the bottom to burn, so it is on, but yeah, I'm almost done. This looks really good. I want to add like a veg, maybe if I can mix veg, but I don't want veggies.